2 weeks ago, I told you about a cool investing strategy called real estate syndication. This is a way for people with extra money, either in cash or an investment account, to passively invest with a deal sponsor who is putting together a large real estate transaction, such as an apartment purchase. Then last week, I told you why your financial advisor is not telling you about these opportunities. Basically, these deals happen way too fast for their compliance department to review them, and the deals are often smaller than the type of opportunities that a financial advisor would suggest that you invest in. Also, they're not earning a commission, so why would they bother telling you about them? One thing that I didn't mention in last week's video is that these deals are considered private equity. So unlike publicly traded companies, these deals happen between private parties. This is somewhat happening naturally because of the reasons I mentioned earlier, but it also happens by design because our government has gotten involved to protect us from ourselves. So what can you do if you want to get involved in these type of deals? Well, I'll explain more, so stick around for the fun. Hey everyone, it's John Stiles with Bridge Realty, helping people like you buy, sell, and invest in multifamily real estate in the Twin Cities. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I really appreciate it. Did you know that if someone offers you the opportunity to invest your money passively and they give you an expectation of a return on your investment, then that is called a security. There is a governmental body that regulates securities, of course, and that's called the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC for short. The SEC requires that most securities be registered, and that can be a long and expensive process, which does not line up well with the timeline that it takes to close a real estate deal. So the SEC has offered a few exceptions to registering the security, and they refer to those as exemptions. Now, the purpose of this video is not to go in depth on those various exemptions. That is a deep conversation and often confusing. It's best to have a professional attorney who can go into detail on that. But what I do want to communicate to you is two important rules that apply to most of the exemptions. The first one is that if you are going to claim an exemption from registering your security, then you cannot advertise the security. The SEC doesn't want you broadcasting your opportunity if it hasn't gone through their vetting process. This is a huge reason why you don't see syndication deals on billboards and pop-up advertisements on your web browser. As someone who has money to invest, you might be thinking to yourself, this is not fair. First, my financial advisor isn't telling me about these, and now the deal sponsors that are putting the deals together can't even advertise their deals. How am I supposed to learn about these? This doesn't make any sense. Well, wait till you hear about the second rule. In most cases, the SEC requires that before a deal sponsor accepts money from a passive investor, they must have a pre-existing relationship. Again, this is the government protecting you from making a rash decision about throwing your money into something that you don't fully understand. And as it turns out, there are risks to investing in real estate. People have lost money this way. So I'm sure that at some point in the past, people were advertising these deals, a deal went sideways, and then people got sued because of false advertising claims. Of course, the government had to get involved and just do something. So voila, the SEC. So what does this mean to you as a normal, hardworking person that just has some money to invest and you want to diversify your portfolio by getting into some real estate? Basically, you need to find ways to build relationships with people that are actively putting together these deals. And I'm going to talk about that more in another video, but for now, I hope this was helpful for you to understand why you don't see these deals advertised. If you want to see more videos about business, mindset, and investing in multifamily real estate, then be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm planning to post videos here weekly, so hit the bell and you get notified about the next one when it comes out. And remember, your reality is your decision. So let's get out there and make it happen.